Alright, move on. Alright, leave that. Make go yes or no.
Ouchie boss.
How are you, sir? People.
My friend, how you doing?
Good. People, let me introduce this man to you. This man is African. He is a OBEAH man. I am a man of God. So if you're a man of God, why you have an OBEAH man? Well, to be honest, he's a OBEAH man with moral. Behind him OBEAHness, him is a good person. I don't know if you don't understand. But I told him that the work with him do in my country, I don't want the people them to come to you to harm or hurt anybody. And him agree. So far, I don't have no evidence of anybody come and him tell them no negativity. Which is him do it, but I ask him not to serve my people. Else me go stop par with him. But him read people, but him not do that part. But anytime I say he might do that, I go cut him off. So that's the only thing I ask him. Don't bring it over here, so. But he's OBEAH man. Hello, are you at your shop? People in my life, I think I do remember.
No, we are just welcome.
So, only thing I like.
Morning in the Africa.
I soon read back some other people. Only feel like I may tell. Go look on him page. Go take a look. Something I like me tell. Go look. And come back and tell me if I true. You look? I tell you, and honestly, I need you to know the difference. So that's why I'm a power with him too, because you have to know the difference. If you look on him page, you realize the energy. You know, say me not carry them the energy there. Bad to bad, you never see me up. You never see me paint them the picture. You know, as long as you see me in the media, you never see me in the world there. Not them there something there. Because me know you go look. So that's the big difference. Now, you don't have to know him, you don't have to friend him, but it's good for you to understand the levels that are going out there so you can understand the difference. Because knowledge is key. You don't have to mix with him, but you know things. Mr. African there. African.
Yes, my friend.
Yes. Tell the people them what you do.
Thank you for support and helping me, my friend. Thank you, more blessing.
Tell the people them what kind of service you do. All right.
I'm doing any kind of work. I'm reading. I can read. I can doing law spell, court case, promotion network, protection. I can do to get green card, etc. And if you want to sacrifice someone,
Oi! Hey, Tappy. Dap, don't know. Me don't know if it was him. That's why many can't agree. Every time me tell him to use the S word, you see me. Don't laugh. I tell him, don't laugh, man. Don't laugh. I tell him, do not use that. Alright, we're going to answer that. Listen to me. African, you cannot use that word. You cannot use that word, African. I soon had you back. Jesus, the man may flap me. The man flat me to work. The man with him, the man, Jesus Christ. Let me man, smelly. Everybody has send me requests now. Vietnam and all people want send match. I get all tired.
Man, General.
Wagwan.
Yeah, my boss.
Ooh, yele bushala. How name is Gloria?
No, I'm familiar with the name they do, boss.
Now the family around your past name is Gloria.
No, I'm not sure, because I don't really know all of my family.
Okay. Gunga bangungu bango gungo bango gungu. Banga ya gungo la bahangu. Banga babangu. Saint Mary. Saint Mary. Saint Mary. Whatever man find you. Alright, you know. You hear me?
Yeah, my General.
People fuck you up. Literally fuck you up. Shaka Zulu. Whatever you. Saint Mary. You have an energy sometimes you feel like something take you over, you're ignorant and cross and anger, a deep energy.
Yeah, sometimes.
Like you get dark. Anybody say like you're possessed, like them say you move like something wrong with you or something depend you.
Not really, because I'm really quite kind of a quiet person, so
Okay, yeah, but do you get ignorant and act certain way when sometimes just naturally just happen?
not really.
You know why? Alright, what I'm trying to say to you is, alright. Even though you call me, you want to know what go on with you, but me pick up witchcraft. The witchcraft when me pick up, me see say your energy put on you mash up. Me see say you put aside. Me see that you have some problem with some family in the past, wherein me know like a domestic problem with you and people have vibes, and the witchcraft fling pan you for try to mad you, and the witchcraft have your head like a ring where during some time you were alright, and another minute you feel like something wrong with you, like something not right.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Now, to open the file, is it that somebody dead or your friend them name call upon it or your name call?
I'm not sure about that one party.
Okay. Well, reason being, the energy is what caused somebody to fling science behind you. So the question is, where you do wrong because you literally do something and the woman decides to share over you. So the bottom line is, I walk on in a negative road. You have to be honest with me because I feel like I me a dig in for help you. So, me ask you
Hon-
again, your friend
Honestly,
harm somebody or somebody harm somebody and them say you know about it?
honestly, me not really know. So, I can't answer what me not know.
What you mean by you don't know because you're sensible? What you mean you don't know? You don't have a friend who mix up in a negativity where do nobody know what cause but I say you know about it, you know mix with no people.
No, me not really know, but me not really keep friend like that. So, me not really know. If me have people where associate with, do things, I
Also,
me
yeah,
not know
idiot.
about
I
it.
tell you that too because the effort thing for tell you. But you're good though. May I listen you?
Now, me I say, if that really happen and it's something me know about,
Wait, this is the question you want to ask me.
huh?
Do you want to ask me nothing? Because I can't answer nothing to you. You want to ask me anything?
No, well,
Let me
yeah,
make me give better advice. Come out of the dark and come in the light. You know, the little conversation with me have realize you can't explain yourself, but that's not the issue. The issue is the witchcraft is there and you don't fully aware of it. And I'm not a person like this who tell people say witchcraft they upon them and sometimes they might say witchcraft them upon them and me not see it. But to me, there's a witchcraft energy where put a little negative energy on your mindset, make you act weird and I move different. You don't see it. So I don't know what else to tell you. Rather than if anybody else tell you that, then maybe you can be. I don't know what to tell you. I swear.
No,
Because
I believe what you asked about the witchcraft, you know, cause not know I'm trying to work. No, not
yeah,
that.
yeah, but even when you yeah, right. Yeah, the witchcraft can do that, but a lot of people would say enough thing them try and it don't work. It doesn't have to do with witchcraft still, but in your situation it can because me say witchcraft. But a lot of people out there with everything them do it don't work. And the only reason why it don't work is because they don't have a strong mindset to manifest things. I want you to know that. Strong mindset make you get what you want. When you have a strong mindset, you manifest things quick. Because watch this now, young man. Every single thing what going in your life now, if you're poverty, you're broke, this, that, people manifest things, and this is very important. I'm not sure if I'm reading. Everybody needs to know, say, whatever going in your life, you manifest it. If a man of mine, you know, you manifest it. If you find a good pitney, breed for your man, and in my mind, you manifest it. If you're in a poverty, you know, you manifest it. If you're in a jail, you know, you manifest it. If you talk to me and in a girl world right now, you manifest it. You need to listen to what I just say. So if you in any problem, money problem, poverty problem, relationship problem, you is the one who manifests it. The universe don't do a blood clot to you and the world don't do nothing wrong. You is the one who always fuck up everybody who are human being. And they want to blame it rather than fix it. So what I'm saying to you now and everybody else, manifest what you want. You, Mr. Man, me can't help you. Go somewhere else. I know what to tell you. I can't help him for true because him not see what me see, so me no want to tell a lie. I can't help him. You have to manifest your thing. We don't know what I'm reading, but listen to this, you have to manifest what you want. You know I always tell myself, say I'm gonna have money. You know I always tell myself, say me rich. I come out here from 2015, broker than everybody. And the first thing I tell the people, let me say I'm rich. I may live to reach a level where I start hold money and live good enough for them. I say, Ras, look how my mouth catch me. And that's why I want to say a little thing. When people have them mouth on you, you know, and have them mouth on your pitney, it is high possibility people mouth can be a weapon against you. Trust me. That is why I believe in a spirituality. Because people mouth is a weapon. Especially when they sit down on your mouth, sit down on you with their mouth and feed the energy. Just know that. Anyway, go to bed, man. We don't love OBEAH too much, man. Even though me is not OBEAH, man. He's a spiritual man, but Lord, that's what they say.